I see a person on the ground. I see a person on the ground. I go to help the person. I go to help the person. I check if the person is awake. I check if the person is awake. I call the person loudly. I call the person loudly. I touch the shoulder gently. I touch the shoulder gently. The person does not move. The person does not move. I call for help. I call for help. I ask someone to call an ambulance. I ask someone to call an ambulance. I check the breathing. I check the breathing. I look at the chest. I look at the chest. The chest is not moving. The chest is not moving. I start chest compressions. I start chest compressions. I push hard and fast. I push hard and fast. I count the pushes. I count the pushes. I give rescue breaths. I give rescue breaths. I keep going. I keep going. Another person comes to help. Another person comes to help. We work together. We work together. The ambulance is coming. The ambulance is coming. Now I see a small cut. Now I see a small cut. The cut is bleeding. The cut is bleeding. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I clean the cut. I clean the cut. I use clean water. I use clean water. I put a bandage on it. I put a bandage on it. The bleeding stops. The bleeding stops. Now I see a burn. Now I see a burn. The skin is red. The skin is red. I cool the burn. I cool the burn. I use cool water. I use cool water. I do not use ice. I do not use ice. I cover the burn. I cover the burn. I use a clean cloth. I use a clean cloth. Now I see a nosebleed. Now I see a nosebleed. The person is scared. The person is scared. I tell the person to sit. I tell the person to sit. I tell the person to lean forward. I tell the person to lean forward. I press the nose gently. I press the nose gently. The bleeding slows down. The bleeding slows down. Now I see a sprained ankle. Now I see a sprained ankle. The ankle is swollen. The ankle is swollen. I tell the person to rest. I tell the person to rest. I put ice on it. I put ice on it. I wrap the ankle. I wrap the ankle. I lift the leg up. I lift the leg up. The pain is less now. The pain is less now. I stay calm. I stay calm. I help the person feel safe. I help the person feel safe. I wait for help to arrive. I wait for help to arrive. I follow simple steps. I follow simple steps. First aid can save lives. First aid can save lives. Great job today. You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly.
It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSed24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye.